Gerald, bust the window out. This is not good.
We're just checking that things out here.
House is falling apart.
Oh boy. Okay, I'll get back here.
House of rats.
Oh, it's like Friday the 13th. He's breaking through the wall.
Shining. No, I'm just pushing through the wall.
He's breaking. Oh, he's breaking through the wall with a saw.
Oh,
A chainsaw massacre. He busted through the wall with his hand. It's scary. I was videotaping and all of a sudden his hand popped through the wall.
Oh, now the rats are going to come in.
Shut up, Nancy.
I know, the rats are coming. Ah!
Jesus. I'm trying to get the rat stuff gone. Like they weren't coming in before. Okay, I'm glad. This needs to be sawed out.